What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on booking.com and I'm gonna be showing you how to book an airport taxi. So make sure to stay until the end of the video because I'm gonna go step by step with you. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever we post another useful tutorial. So guys, how to book an airport taxi. So let's say you're flying somewhere, possibly you're doing it with booking.com. I showed in some of the previous videos how to book a flight, so make sure to check it out as well if you need it. But to stay on the subject, how to basically rent an airport taxi or how to book it. So basically in the middle of the screen in the upper side we are having airport taxis, so you press on it. So we are having one way and return. We are gonna enter pickup location, so let's say Frankfurt Airport over here. So we're gonna enter destination. Let's say we want to go, I don't know, to Mannheim. Okay, let's say Manhattan Hotel. We are having the date. Let's say we are flying on the 30th of October and at 12 a.m. over here, let's say 2 passengers. We're gonna search for the options, so wait a bit. As you can see, this is generating responses. Okay, here we are having it. We are having up to 3 persons with 2 suitcases, meet and greet, free cancellation. We are having executive, standard and people carrier. So let's say we want a standard, so we can show more. Over here let's select standard. Then we are having request a child seat. If you have one, make sure to request it. Add a flight tracking, so you can even add from where you're flying over here. So let's say like this. Wait for it to load. Like this. Airline, so we are having basically on airplanes it can track by pressing continue. It can easily track our flight. You need to enter your first and last name, email address and phone number. Also, how would you like to pay? You can basically pay with cards. Over here you need to enter your informations and basically proceed to checkout. So guys, quite an easy process. Hopefully it was helpful to you. As always, thank you for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.